Hi children, today we are going to learn 7th standard number system exercise 1.5. Fifth one. A poet, Tamil Nambi, lost 35 pages of his lyrics when his file had got wet in the rain. So first question, he have lost 35 pages of lyrics due to rain. It was wet in the rain, so he lost 35 pages. So the first question, if Tamil Nambi wrote 5 pages per day, how many days work did he lose? So the total pages lost is, he lost 35 pages of lyrics. Then for the number of pages written in one day is, it is given as 5. So for one day I have written 5, then how many number of days the work lost is? 35 divided by 5 gives you 7. So 7 days work was lost because of the pages of the lyrics got wet in the rain. 7 days work is lost to him. Now your second question, if 4 pages contain 1800 characters, how many characters were lost? So the number of characters in 4 pages 1800. To find the number of characters lost, first of all we need to find the number of characters lost in one page. So the number of characters in one page is 1800 divided by 4, that is 450. So the number of characters in one page is 450. Then the number of characters in 35 pages is 450 into 35, that is 15,750. Do you understand? The number of characters in 4 pages 1800. So first we'll find for the one page. For the characters in one page is 1800 divided by 4 gives you the number of characters in one page. Now the number of characters in 35 pages is 450 into 35, 15,750. Next is your Roman letter 3. If Tamil Nambi is paid rupees 250 for each page produced, how much money did he lose? For each page they will give rupees 250 as payment. Now we have lost 35 pages. So for one page it is given 250 means, then for 35 pages 250 into 35, that is rupees 8,750 he lost. The payment, there is a loss of a payment 8,750 to him. Fourth question, if Kaviman helps Tamil Nambi and they are able to produce 7 pages. Now Kaviman is going to help Tamil Nambi. They are able to produce 7 pages per day. For per day they are going to write 7 pages. How many days will it take to recreate the work last? So the number of pages recreated in one day they can write 7 pages. Then to recreate 35 pages, how many days they required? So 35 divided by 7 gives you the days. So 35 divided by 7, 5 days. So 7 divides 35 5 times. We need 5 days to finish the work. If they recreate, number of pages recreated by them in a day is 7 pages. Next is your fifth question. Tamil Nambi pays Kaviman rupees 100 per page for his help. How much money does Kaviman receive? So Kaviman is helping Tamil Nambi. So he is going to pay Kaviman. So he is going to pay Kaviman per page he is able to pay rupees 100. Then the payment for 35 pages is 100 into 35, that is he is supposed to give 3,500 for Kaviman because he is helping him. He is able to pay 3,500. He is going to pay 3,500 for Kaviman. For one page he is giving 100 rupees. Then for 35 pages means 35 into 100, 3,500. Thank you children. Please comment